last challenge, we explored the invisible magnetic force around magnets. Iron filings allowed us to see the magnetic field and how strong it was around the poles of the magnets. I'm playing with a Magnadoodle in LiveSmart at Muse Knoxville. There is a small magnet in the pen and is attracting the iron filings inside the toy, letting me draw a picture. There is a plastic screen between the magnet and the iron filings. That screen is a barrier. We have already seen magnets work through the barrier of paper when we explored with the iron filings. I wonder if there's a barrier that could stop the magnetic field. I wonder if glass could be a barrier that would stop the magnet. What do you think? Let's put 3 paper clips inside the glass. Then take a magnet and place it on the outside of the glass. Try for yourself to lift the paper clips up and out of the glass. It worked! Now we know that glass is not a barrier for magnets because the magnets can still attract things through the glass. Could we still lift the paper clips out of the glass if we put water inside of the glass as an additional barrier? Predict what you think will happen and then test it out. Magnets work through the barrier of water, glass, and plastic. Scientists use magnets through barriers to help us in the real world. Scientists have developed a way to keep sharks from swimming too close to beaches by disguising magnets as kelp forests in the ocean. The kelp disguise is plastic tubing. The magnets are working through the barrier of the plastic disguise and the ocean water. The strong magnetic field repels the sharks, and only sharks, away from the beaches. Let's try the same challenge as before, but with other magnets from the kit. Let's predict if all of the magnets are strong enough to lift the 3 paper clips up and out of the water through the glass. You can continue this experiment by using other liquids around your home, with your parents' permission. Try milk, juice, oil, or even soapy water. In the next segment, we will explore how to make a magnet. Continue on to the next video when you are ready.